Imagine a world where every decision could be made faster and more accurately than ever before. Now imagine if those decisions weren't always fair. That's the challenge we face with artificial intelligence today. Let's uncover how we can navigate this new terrain together. Welcome to today's video, where we break down the ethical challenges of AI and discuss some of the best solutions out there. We're talking about privacy, bias, and who really should be accountable when AI systems make a mistake. Stick around as we unravel these topics through real examples and expert insights. What is ethical AI? When we talk about ethical AI, we're diving into the idea of making AI that's good for everyone. It should keep your secrets safe, treat everyone equally, and work reliably. That sounds ideal, right? But the truth is, making this happen is a big challenge. Ethical AI isn't just about building smart technology. It's about ensuring these technologies have a positive impact on our lives. They should enhance our daily activities without crossing lines or causing harm. Today, I'll explain how developers are striving to meet these goals and the hurdles they encounter along the way. Privacy concerns. Now let's focus on privacy. Think about the last time you asked a digital assistant to play your favorite song or used a navigation app to find the quickest route home. Your choices and location are personal data, and AI uses this data to help you. But here's the catch. This same data could potentially be used in ways you didn't agree to. How do we stop that? Companies are now creating clearer rules about what can and cannot be done with your data. Plus, there are new technologies that help keep your information safe by making sure it's anonymous before it's ever used to train AI. I'll show you what some of these safeguards look like and why they're crucial for maintaining our privacy. Bias in AI. Moving on to bias, this is a tough one because it's about fairness. Imagine an AI system that reviews job applications but prefers candidates from a certain city or university simply because of the data it was trained on. Not fair, right? This happens because AI systems learn from the data they get, and if that data has biases, the decisions made by AI will likely have those same biases. We'll look at some real-life scenarios where AI bias has been a problem and discuss the latest strategies that researchers and developers are using to make AI more impartial. We're talking about things like diversifying the data and continuously checking the AI's decisions to ensure fairness. Accountability in AI errors. Let's tackle a big question. When AI messes up, who's responsible? Say a shopping app accidentally charges you twice for the same item, or worse, a driverless car makes a wrong turn causing a mishap. Who should be held accountable? Is it the developers who created the AI, the company that uses it, or the AI itself? This question is crucial because it helps ensure that everyone involved takes the care needed to avoid mistakes in the first place. We will discuss how different countries are thinking about this issue, and I'll introduce you to some of the proposed solutions to ensure that when AI errors happen, they can be corrected safely and fairly. The role of regulation. How exactly do we keep a powerful tool like AI under control? Here's where regulations come in. Governments around the world are stepping up to lay down rules that help ensure AI is used for the good of all of us. These laws are about making sure AI doesn't just serve a few, but benefits everyone, and that it's safe to use. We'll take a closer look at some of these rules, like the ones that make sure AI respects our privacy and doesn't discriminate. I'll show you how these regulations are shaping what AI can do, from self-driving cars to how banks decide who gets a loan. Designing ethical AI. Now, how do we build AI that's ethical right from the start? It begins with the people who create it. Developers have a big role to play by making sure the AI they build thinks about your rights and needs. This process includes picking the right kind of data to teach the AI, testing it thoroughly before it goes out into the real world, and setting up ongoing checks to make sure it stays on the right track. In this segment, I'll break down these steps in a way that's easy to understand. We'll explore how a focus on ethics is becoming a fundamental part of developing new AI technology, ensuring that these tools help rather than harm. Public perception of AI. What does everyone really think about AI? It's a mix of excitement and concern. Some people love how AI makes life easier, like helping them navigate traffic or suggest the perfect movie on a Friday night. Others worry about how it could impact jobs or invade privacy. Today, we're going to look at recent surveys and studies that show just how people around the globe feel about AI. We'll uncover some surprising attitudes, like how many people trust AI to make decisions better than humans in some areas, and how others are calling for stricter controls to protect our way of life. It's a fascinating look at the hopes and fears surrounding this technology. AI for good. Despite the concerns, AI is also a force for positive change, making strides in areas that truly benefit humanity. Take healthcare, for example. AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and with more accuracy, which can save lives. It's also making education more accessible, personalizing learning to fit each student's unique needs, and helping to combat climate change by optimizing energy use in big cities and predicting weather patterns more accurately. In this segment, we'll explore heartwarming stories of AI's positive impact, like how it's helping farmers increase crop yields and even assisting in disaster response efforts. These stories highlight the potential of AI to not just improve lives, but also to save them. The future of ethical AI. What's next for ethical AI? The future is looking bright, and there's a lot to be excited about. Technology is advancing rapidly, and with it, our ability to tackle some of the tough ethical questions is improving too. We're seeing new technologies that can make AI more transparent, meaning it's easier to understand why an AI system made a certain decision. Plus, there are developments in making AI systems that can explain their actions in simple terms that everyone can understand. We'll explore what experts are predicting for the next few years, including smarter AI that makes fewer mistakes and is fairer to everyone. These advancements could change everything from how we work to how we manage our health, all while upholding strong ethical standards. How you can impact AI ethics. So what can you do to help steer AI in the right direction? Believe it or not, your voice is more powerful than you might think. You can start by staying informed about AI and its impact on society. Knowledge is power, and understanding AI will help you make informed decisions and discussions. You can also support companies and products that prioritize ethical AI. By choosing services that are transparent about how they use AI and that commit to fairness and privacy, you're voting for ethics with your wallet. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of conversation. Talk about AI ethics with friends, family, and on social media. Raising awareness about these issues can lead to bigger changes and push companies and governments to prioritize ethics in AI development. Conclusion. As we've seen today, ethical AI is a complex but crucial part of our future with technology. By understanding the challenges and pushing for solutions, we can all contribute to a fairer, more accountable AI world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, take care and stay curious.